So I made some blanket bins, and I just have, this is just 1x4 straight from the hardware store. I stacked them up, nailed them back in, and I'm putting this burnt finish on them. I got it sanded down to 120, but I wanted to share how this is going. I just have a regular propane tank, nothing special, $6 at Home Depot. So you got to kind of go slow. Don't get nervous that you're going to burn the wood. You're going to see flames. It seems to be optimal at about 2 inches away. Well, this is more like 1 inch away. And I'm letting the, I guess, charcoal lead me. I find that it's better to go with the grain. The burning seems to be more even that way. I don't know if you could see right here, but here I have a glue line, and you can actually see the glue. I was hoping it would just burn off, but apparently it's not gonna, so I may have to address that. The finish is smooth. It's a little dusty,